600,000 subscribers in 2 months. That's a crazy growth.
This hidden niche is going viral right now.
Here is what we built using n8n in just few clicks.
City lights, late drive, sweater on my seat.
Watch till the end to learn how you can make it too.
If you're new here, my name is Prashant. I spent over 15 years working in film and animation industry for studios like DreamWorks and MPC.
And now we've started NoCodeDad, a community where my dad teaches me how to use AI and automation to make real income and build some cool projects.
You can even hack to our school community right now and download the setup right away.
The link's in the description below.
Alright guys, this is the setup I'm talking about. This setup consists of 4 steps. Step 1, generate lyrics. Step 2, create songs. Step 3, create images. And step 4, create final video.
So let's get started.
Step 1, generate lyrics. So first node is called schedule trigger. Double click inside. So in schedule trigger, we define how often we want to run this setup. Alright, so let's execute this node. The next node is called get rows in sheet. Double click inside and see what we are doing here. First, we have to define our Google Sheet credentials. Then we have to define which Google Sheet we want to read. And then in the end, we want to make sure we are reading only the row which has the status create. Also, we make sure that we are reading only one row at a time. Before executing this node, we have to go to the Google Sheet and understand what we are doing there. This is the Google Sheet I am talking about. Let's create a new row here. Create video 9. Keep the status to create. We are using reference image to generate the new images here. So I'm going to the channel which I was talking about and then choosing this video. So let's copy the image address and paste it in your Google Sheet here. So the next one is called reference song title. For that, we also went to the same channel, copy the song title and pasted it in your Google Sheet. So for the lyrics, we are just copying the transcript from the same video. Copy it, paste it here. We want to make sure that the singer is a female. For this song, keep the aspect ratio 16:9. This is all we need to do in our Google Sheet. Let's go back to n8n. With all this updated information, let's execute the get rows in sheet node. Once we execute this node, we will have all the data back in n8n. The next node is called AI agent. Double click inside and see what we are doing here. First thing is we are defining a prompt here. We are using the reference song lyrics to create new lyrics. One more thing we are defining here is system message. Let's click and see what we are doing here. In system message, we are defining how we want our songs to look like. Let's execute this node. So the AI agent has created a song title, a song description, which we need for YouTube, and then it created the lyrics for us. In the next node, we are updating this information back into our Google Sheet. All right. Double click and see what we are doing here. So again, we are defining our Google Sheet credentials. We are defining the Google Sheet which we want to read. And so what we are saying here is let's add song title, song description, and the lyrics back into our Google Sheet. All right. So let's execute this node.
Now, when we look at Google Sheets, there will be information.
Yeah. So what you will see is now song title, song description, and the lyrics are added back into our Google Sheet. So let's go to step 2, create songs. We are actually creating the songs here.
This is going to be so exciting.
Yeah, awesome. So let's go to the first node, which is create songs. Double click inside and see what we are doing here. All right. This node is called HTTPS request node, and we are using the post method and we are using Key AI to make these songs.
Key AI is an API aggregator. Basically, that means there are lots of models available.
To get started, all you have to do is to buy a $5 credit and then get started with this. So what we did is we defined our Key AI credentials here. We are also adding this JSON prompt. Let's go inside and see what we are doing in the JSON prompt. This is our JSON prompt. We are giving our song title, song description, and the lyrics to the Suno AI to make this song. All right. So let's execute this step, right? Let's make some good songs. So once you execute this, the request is sent to Key AI. AI to make these songs. Next couple of nodes are very interesting. What we are doing is we are using a wait node, and then we are using get method. It's again a HTTPS request node. What we are saying is we are asking key AI to get our videos back using task ID here. And then this switch node makes sure that the video is done. And the next one is called update row in sheet. This is again a Google Sheet node. So first we are defining credential here. Then we are saying which Google Sheet we want to use. And we are also saying please add the audio which you receive from key AI back into our Google Sheet. So guys, let's execute all these nodes together, right?
Yes.
Let's play a game here. All right, so let's execute these nodes. Tell me how long it's gonna take.
0.
0? No, it's gonna take at least 5. Let's see. So it has taken 7 rounds, yeah?
Yes, my second guess
So she
is
won.
correct.
All right, so let's go to the Google Sheet and sneak peek the song.
I love sneak peeks.
Wow. All right, let's go to the next node. Step 3, which is create images.
Wow, this is going to be so fun.
Yeah, first note, what we are doing here is we are reading our Google Sheet back. All right, first we are defining our Google Sheet credentials. We are reading the sheet and we are making sure that we are just reading the sheet which has the status create. Let's execute this node. All right, let's go to the next node, which is analyze images. With this node, we are analyzing what is there in the reference image.
Yes.
So here also we have to define our OpenAI credential because this is an OpenAI node. All right, and we want to make sure we are using a chat model, and then we are defining the image URL which we want to analyze. All right, so let's run this node. What this node will do is it will read the reference image and then give us some details about the image, and then what we're gonna do is in the next node we will pass this information to our AI agent. So let's go inside the AI agent and see what we are doing here. We are saying, hey, let's make an image prompt based on the image analysis from the last node. We are also defining a system message here, and we are saying I want my image prompt structure in this format. Okay, so let's execute this node. All right, so now we got our new awesome image prompt. Next few nodes is also very interesting. First, we are creating the image using Google's Nano Banana. All right, and then the next couple of nodes will make sure we will get our image back from key AI as soon as they are made. All right,
Yes.
I will explain you all these steps properly. All right, so let's go inside create image. It's again a HTTPS request node. What we are doing is we are using a post method and saying, hey key AI, please make me this image. We are passing our key AI credentials, and we are also passing a JSON prompt here. In the JSON prompt, what we are saying is, hey key AI, use Nano Banana and make me image using this image prompt. Let's see what we are doing inside the wait node. All right, so in the wait node, what we are saying is just wait for 1 second and then go to the next node. All right, and then in the get image, what we are saying, hey, this is my job ID, give me back my image which you generated. And the next node is just a switch node which defines if the images are done or not. And the last one is called image URL.
Image URL is basically we get a lot of data back from key AI. We
Yes.
just want the URL.
All right guys, so let's run all this node together. All right, and then we play a game.
Yes.
How much is your guess?
7.
All right,
7 was my lucky one last time.
mine is 8. Let's see who will win. Right, this is fast, right? This is just 1 second loop. Ooh, we both failed on this one.
Yeah.
All right, so we got our image back. Let's go to the section 4, which is,
Create video.
so we are updating our Google Sheet here. All right, so double click inside and see what's written here. So this is again an update row in Sheets. We are just passing our Google Sheet credentials. We are saying write it to this sheet, and we are updating our image URL. All right, so let's write it in the Google Sheet by executing this node. All right,
Yes.
you want to see your image now?
Yeah.
All right, let's see the image. So
I'm
let's
so excited.
let's go back to the Google Sheet. So the image URL is over here, right? Wow.
That is beautiful.
So this is the image we generated. Wow, this is looking so pretty. Not as sweet as Mama, by the way.
Yeah, my mommy's the best mommy in the world, just for your information.
Let's go back to n8n. All right, so now we have this one last step to create the video.
Right now we have the song, we have the image that we need. Now all we need to do is combine those two and we have a video.
Yeah, so the fourth step is called create videos. So again, the first node here is is get rows in sheet. Double click inside and see what we are doing here. We are just reading our Google Sheet back again into n8n. Alright, and then we are saying, hey, only read the row which has the status create. Alright, so let's click on this. So the next setup is little interesting because I never used this method before. We are using Cloudinary.
Cloudinary?
And it's completely free. You have a monthly limit, and if you want to generate more than that, you can take their plan, but the monthly limit is very generous. All right, so let's see what we are doing here. So we added this node called upload image, which is a Cloudinary node. How you gonna create it? Just click here and say Cloudinary. All right, this option. All right, when you click on it first time, it will ask you to install it. You have to select this first one. You click on this, and then this new node is created in your setup. First time when you're doing it, you have to define your Cloudinary credentials by clicking here and say create new credentials. Here you have to define the cloud name, your API key, your API secrets. All this information you will get from your Cloudinary account. This is the Cloudinary account. You have to go to the settings and inside API keys section. This is your cloud name, this is your API key, and this is your API secret. It will ask you to confirm your email address before showing it to you, and then you can copy it from here and paste it back here, your cloud name, your API key, and your API secret. Once you have it there, just save it in your n8n setup. You don't have to do it next time, it will be available for you. I already defined it, so mine is this one. Then you have to pass your image URL which we generated in the last step, and then we can execute this node. Once we execute this, our image is uploaded to Cloudinary. Then the next step is called upload audio. It's again the same node. We are passing the URL of our audio file here. So let's execute this now. Let's go to the next step. The next node is the interesting one. Here that magic of combining image and audio is happening. All right, so double click inside this node. It's again a
HTTP request.
We are using the get method here, and this URL expression is doing all the magic. We are basically saying, hey, use the image and use that audio and combine them and make it into a MP4 file, which is a video file. Let's run this node.
Yes.
This gonna take some time, so you have to wait patiently for a minute or two. All right, so we got our video back. You wanna play it now? Let's click here. Wow, see, so we got our video now. Alright, so let's pause it here and let's go to the next step. This is right now in your cache, so we are uploading the generated video back to the Cloudinary so that we will get the URL link. So this next node is uploading this created video back to the Cloudinary account. It's again the same Cloudinary node. This time what we are doing is we are using the upload file operation here, and then we are saying the file name is data because this is saved in our local cache. Alright, and then we are saying the resource type to video. Once we click this video is now uploaded to our Cloudinary account, and we have the URL. So the next node is called update row in sheet. Double click inside and see this is again a update row in Google Sheet node, and then here we are passing our credential. We are saying, hey, use this Google Sheet, and this one is what we are saying. Let's change the status of this row to done.
Yes.
And then the final video URL is gonna be uploaded to our Google Sheet. So let's run this, and
Wow.
this will upload your final video back to your Google Sheet. So our final video is now available here. All right, let's click and see what our video look like. Wow.
It's cold, I whisper your name and breathe in, close my eyes.
The next step is bit optional if you want to do it. I downloaded film grain from Pexels, which is completely free, and I'm using CapCut to add this layer on top of my video. Go to the CapCut and so import this video inside the CapCut, bring the video in our main layer, all right, and then bring this film grain layer here, and then
Copy and paste it if it's not long enough.
yeah, just paste it a couple of times.
Yeah.
And then keep it till this. Select all of these and go to the blend, and then make the opacity to around like 40-50% and use
Color
dodge. Color dodge will give you the same color. Yeah.
Yeah, color dodge looks really good.
And then full screen. Wow, and this is how it's gonna look when you upload it to YouTube. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end.
Yes, so please hit the like and subscribe button and join our school community. Bye! See you next time!